and then we'll come to our own web page. We can see that it is now showing here. We no longer have that that web sign here anymore. Let's change to something else. Let's change it to TechiesReign's image, or yeah, so let's use TechiesReign image. So let's just go to TechiesReign.com. Okay, so we want to use this particular image. Okay, so we just want to save it. So now we own the exclusive right to use this particular image because this is TechiesReign. Okay, so you are not permitted to use this as an example or for any use anything at all. Okay, so we own the exclusive right to use our images as we so desire. Okay, so we are going to come here. We want to drag that particular image we downloaded into our images so that we can use it on our own page. Okay, so we are going to come to our page here under the downloads. Okay, so we're going to drag it rather, okay, to our images. Okay, so as soon as we do that, we have it here already. Can you see it now? We have it here already. So all we need to do is come to our index.html. Okay, so now let me quickly show you how to do that. Okay, so we're going to, our images part is correct. Okay, then our B TechiesReign, that's the name of the download we made. So then we'll save it. By the time we come to our web browser back, here, can you see that we have it here already? Okay, we have it here already at the top here. So because of the nature of the color, that's why it is not very bold like that. Okay, so but you can see how to change the how to add a favicon to your website. Okay, so the link.rel, which is icon, okay, then type is image icon. So we can just, let me remove this. Okay, let me remove this. So let's save it and come back. So we still have it here. Okay, we still have it here. So just an easy thing for us to relate with. Okay, good. So yeah, so we are putting our icon there. So then we are putting our image part there. Okay, so then it works perfectly like that. So do you want to practice